how are you doing? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss Kenya for those of you who are new, and I do home content including house hunting videos, and today I am giving you a house hunting video and I'm going to be giving you a tour of a 2-bedroom house which is along Waiyaki Way, and the house is in Gitaru. For those of you who don't know where Gitaru is the area neighboring Kikuyu, and it's approximately 30 minutes drive to Nairobi CBD. And the house is spacious, very spacious, and it has water and it has security, and it's going for 24,000, which I think is worth your money because the house is spacious. And the kitchen is my favorite part of this house because the kitchen is super spacious. It can fit a fridge and a stove and still leave more space, and nowadays you don't get that for 24,000, right? Especially along Waiyaki Way. So let me just show you how the house looks and be the judge of the house. And as always, I'm going to leave the contact details on the description box below for in case you want to book or view the house. And remember to give this video a big thumbs up. Please give this video a big thumbs up and enjoy watching. Like this is the outside of the house, and this is the window of the house, and then you have some space here where you can place your plants. You can place your plants or something. This is enough space for you. And then this is the entrance to the house, and the first room is the sitting room, which is huge. And when I talk of huge, I mean it. That is the space. That is the space for you. Quite huge. Let me take from this side. And then the house is internet ready. It's fiber ready. Wow, look at that. I think this would fit like the sitting area and a small dining room. So big, wow. And sorry about the noise. The house is near the road and there is construction going on, so that explains the noise. And then from the sitting room we have this door. I don't know which room we should start with. Let's start with the kitchen. Again, one of my favorites. Guys, look at that. Guys. Just look at that. You have that storage area over there, and then you have this storage area over here. You have this countertop all to yourself. You have the sink here, and then the kitchen is spacious enough to fit your stove there and your fridge here. Guys, I am so sorry about the noise. There is construction going on. So that is your kitchen. And then right outside the kitchen there is this balcony, which is quite huge. That is the balcony for you. Quite huge. And then there is like a tap there. You can make it like your laundry area, and you have some hanging lines here. And look at the view from the balcony. Quite beautiful because it's surrounded with greenery. So beautiful. Wow. So that is the balcony. And the kitchen, again, the kitchen is big. I think this kitchen is the size of some of the living rooms in Nairobi. it's big. It's big, and for the price, it's awesome. Then from the kitchen we have this corridor over here, and then okay, let me start with here. We have a small camera over there, and you know, a place where you can put like your toothbrush, a sink, and then we have the washroom here. This is the toilet, which is big, and again I love the tiling of this kitchen. Look at that, look at that, so beautiful, so beautiful. And then we have the bathroom. The two are separated, which again is a plus, and it's quite spacious, and the shower is hot shower, and you have a place where you can place your soap. We have the window over there, and a place where you can hang your towels. So beautiful, so beautiful. And then from there we go to our first bedroom. Ta-da! Well lit. Look at that window. I love it, I love it. And then there goes your closet, almost covering the whole wall, Here is your closet. Let's see the space inside. So that is it. This is where you will be hanging your clothes, and then a place where you can put your folded clothes. And then we have the drawers there. The bedroom is spacious. Actually, it can fit a 6 by 6, I think, or a 5. I'm not sure, but it's big. And then here goes our second bedroom. Okay, we have a small space over there. Then here is our second bedroom. So big, it's so big. This one can fit 2 beds without any struggle. And we have the window over there. Wow, look at that, just look at that. And then we have the closet over here, covering almost the whole wall. And this one here has a mirror, and we have the drawers over there. So beautiful, it's so beautiful. And again, I love the color of this house. It's not the kawaida landlord color, so it's a bit subtle. I love it. Let me know which is your favorite room in this house. Is it this bedroom, which is quite big, as you can see? It's obviously very big. Or is it the washrooms? You know, the separated washroom and the toilet? Or is it this bedroom over here, which again is quite big, or is it my favorite, which is this kitchen over here? So beautiful. I think my favorite in this room is this kitchen. It's so beautiful. Or is it this balcony, which is quite spacious, by the way? Quite spacious. You get a balcony with a view. This is something that I would totally decorate. So beautiful. Or is it the living room, which is massive? Wow. Which is your favorite in this room? And this house is located along Waiyaki Way in Gitaru. Gitaru is near Kikuyu, for those of you who know Kikuyu, and it's going for 24,000, which is impressive. 24,000 for this house. I would totally rent it. Let me know your views about the house, and let me know your favorite room in this house. Just let me know your thoughts, and let me see you on my next video. Bye.